Okay guys, Nifty Thrifty Girl, highlighting, featuring, showcasing today a NECCHI BU MIRA. This is the olive drab green machine. It's in excellent cosmetic condition. The bed is shiny and smooth. No major scratches or paint damage or paint loss issues. Found in its original carrying case, the thick wood carrying case with the NECCHI logo on the front. That is included. The machine will be shipped in the case. The machine will be tampered down inside the case so it doesn't fly around during shipment. We've done it. I don't like to do it, but I feel more comfortable doing it with the heavy wood cases than with the brittle plastic cases. This machine is complete. I mean, it is chock full of goodies everywhere, including the Wonder Wheel embroidery attachment. Very, very cool machine. Straight zigzag only by itself, and then you can do your decorative patterns with the Wonder Wheel discs. It comes with original box, so full of feet and accessories that I almost can't get the lid on it. And the manual is not in good shape. Not gonna lie, it is what it is. It's complete. You just have to be very careful with it. I didn't want to tape it up or do anything with it. If you'd like to try to salvage it, you know, maybe clip it or something, or I don't know, but it's not in good shape cover-wise, but the pages are okay. I even went through, the box is so full of attachments, I went through and checked everything off. I didn't make the marks, but somebody else did that. But I went through every part, and everything is in here, literally. The double needle plate, the double needle in its own little plastic barrel, the original metal NECCHI package of needles, the screwdrivers, the seam ripper, the extra tension disc, the circular stop. I mean, everything is in here. All of the feet, all of the attachments, everything is included. It is so complete. And then, on top of that, you get 6 total discs with the Wonder Wheel attachment, which makes for 12 designs because each disc has a design on each side. So 6 times 2 is 12. Very cool machine. It says it takes up to a size 21 needle. I don't have a 21 to test with it. I believe I'm using a 14. But this, like I said, this manual is complete. This machine is serviced. It is ready to go out of the box. Now, it does have a couple little idiosyncrasies, so to speak. Normally on a machine, when you lift the presser foot up, the thread releases. This machine does not let the thread release very willingly. You have to put it up all the way. There's like a little notch, and it has to be up all the way to release the thread to pull it out and cut your thread. That is, my husband has tried to adjust it. It doesn't take adjustments. So when you're pulling out your fabric to cut your thread, you just really have to force it up into the top notch. Also, the nature of the NECCHI beast seems to be that it doesn't make a very tight stitch. This is just, you know, like a basic zigzag, and it's not very tight, even though it's balanced pretty much. I could have took it in a little more. It's balanced top and bottom. It's just not a tight zigzag stitch, and I've come upon a few NECCHIs that are like that. Now, I'm going to just sew a zigzag real quick, and then I'm going to quickly hook up the Wonder Wheel, and I'm going to let you see that working. So, here we go. This is a very cool machine in the fact that it's just complete. You know, not very often do you find the Wonder Wheel complete with the discs, and it takes little metal rods to make it work. A lot of times the rods are missing. It's just a very, very cool estate find. what I mean? It's tight here, so I lift up all the way and it releases the thread. Okay, now we're going to hook up the Wonder Wheel, and I'm going to open up the page to make sure I do it correctly. I think it was like page 90 something. Yep. Okay, what happens is it's already got a disc on it, so I don't have to put a disc. It's got the number 1. What happens is this little piece here goes on in here, sits on top of this screw, and it basically keeps keeps them from hitting the notches. So, and it's not going to stay on there. There we go. Let me see. It came with 4 plastic discs, so you know you're getting extra discs. And depending on how you set this, it makes it a lot different as well. Do I have this the wrong way? P. Let's take this back out. No, it doesn't go that way because it doesn't fit that way. Yes, see, I have just as many difficulties as you do. I've not used one of these often enough to realize what's going on here. Okay, that seems to be sitting in there right now. Get in there. Oh, and then you're supposed to tighten this up. That's what it is. Grr. Tighten that, and that doesn't move. Okay, that's done. And then you hook up your rods. The long one goes on the top. And it goes to the top thingy. And you got to get it in just right or it doesn't go. I mean, that's just like this. This one has to go in first. So why isn't it working? This one goes in second. No, these don't even see. Okay, give me a minute. I got another set of rods. Alright, this is irritating the crap out of me now because I had it. Alright, let's see what happens here. See, and it's just, I don't want to bend it. That doesn't even go in there. So why isn't this working? Maybe I just didn't have it in the right position. I'm sorry about this. I just don't understand why I'm having this difficulty.